Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the same chapter, Energy, chapter 3. In the last video, I showed you about the kinetic and potential energy. Now we can carry on with potential energy. Potential energy, as you know, it is the energy stored in a body when the body is raised to some height, or when the body is compressed, stretched, or it is bent. So on the basis of this, potential energy is of two types. We have gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in a body when the body is raised to some height, is taken to some height, like the fan in the roof, fan in the ceiling. This is the example of potential energy. Water stored in the dam, it is also an example of gravitational potential energy. When you are keeping a ball on the roof, is also at some height from the ground, so it is also an example of gravitational potential energy. Elastic potential energy is stored in a body when the body is compressed, or it is stretched, or it is bent. This all body will store elastic potential energy in it. We have some examples, like when we squeeze the lemon, or when we compress the spring, when you stretch the catapult. These all are the examples of elastic potential energy, because in this case the body is being either compressed or it is stretched. Now sometimes the body can have both potential and kinetic energy together at the same time, and the total mechanical energy so stored in that body can be the sum of potential and kinetic energy. That is, when you add potential and kinetic energy, you will get the total mechanical energy stored in that body. Coming to next form of energy, which is chemical energy. And chemical energy is stored in a body, not I'll say exactly in a body, but in the molecules of the matter. Once again, chemical energy is the energy stored in the molecules of a matter, and this energy is available due to the chemical reaction. That is, when chemical reaction or chemical process takes place, only then this energy is available to us. A very good example of such chemical energy stored is in petrol, coal. They all have chemical energy stored in it, but this energy will be released when they are heated or when they are burnt. Same is the case of chemical energy stored in crackers, the cell or the battery. They all have chemical energy stored, but this energy will be released when there is chemical reaction in it. So next form of energy, we have sound energy, then heat energy, light energy, magnetic energy. Let us start with sound energy. Sound energy is the energy that is produced by a vibrating body. That is, any body capable of vibration can produce sound energy. For example, when we strike the drum or tabla, you find the membrane of the drum or tabla vibrates, and so we can hear the sound produced by it. Now harder the drum is being struck, louder the sound is produced. So this is the sound energy. It can be produced by vibrating body. Then we have heat energy. Heat energy is another very important form of energy, and heat energy can convert water into steam. Steam engine that can be used in olden days to run the train is basically coming from the heat energy. The water in this is allowed to produce the steam, and that steam is used in various purposes, and one of such purposes is in running of the trains. Then we have the light energy. Light energy is another very important form of energy, and because of this light energy, it enables us to see. Whatever we can see around us is due to the light energy. Sometimes the light energy can also be used in converting into electrical energy, that you can find in the solar panel, where the light energy is used to convert into electrical energy. Then you have magnetic energy. It is the energy stored in a magnet, and due to this magnetic energy stored, magnet can attract iron pieces, cobalt, and other magnetic materials. Sometimes magnet can also be used for various work, like it is used in the form of electric motor in the fan, and many other electrical devices which is able to rotate is due to the electric motor, which consists of magnet. So this is what we have done today. Your homework will be to learn all these short term, the definitions with the examples, learn the pages from the book. Till then, thank you.